Deputy Chief Minister in charge, Home Department, Preston Thinsong, said the centre and state governments are ready to hold the peace talks with the leaders of proscribed Hnlc National Liberation Council anywhere outside Meghalaya. Speaking to reporters yesterday, Thinsong requested the top leaders of the Hnlc not to have any kind of apprehension and not to have any doubt because the government, be it centre or the state, is sincere enough to hold peace talks. The outfit's chairman cum Commander-in-Chief Bobby Marwan and General Secretary cum Publicity Secretary Sen Kopar Nongtrao had recently expressed their inability to participate in the discussion till the government is ready to drop all pending cases against them and to sign a ceasefire agreement.
Why are you having that apprehension? So I would request the top leaders of the Hnlc, don't have any kind of apprehension, don't have any doubt. We are sincere from the government, be it state and be it central government, number one. And number two, if you feel that it is not safe for talking here within Meghalaya, we are ready even to talk anywhere. Central government and state government are ready to talk anywhere. If you want to have a talk maybe somewhere in Calcutta or somewhere in other states, we are ready for that. So my request to the top leaders of Hnlc is very, very clear. The door is still open and we would request to them to kindly come back for talk, and we are ready to talk across the table.
Prayers marked